Okay, so here's a fairly common failure mode with Odyssey joysticks. You can see this is hard to move, tends to stick where you put it. That's because the ball and socket is failed. And the other symptom of this is that you can actually lift the stick up. And we're going to see how we can fix that. Okay, so here is the joystick laid out without the wires. From the bottom to the top, got the bottom escutcheon, the joystick itself with its nylon ball, the base, then this washer, then the circuit board, spring assembly, the top escutcheon, the hold down nut, spring nut, and the joystick knob. So the way it's done, the problem with that failure mode is that somewhere along the line, somebody managed to pull this through here. And it will come through if you work on it. And then you've got that failure mode we looked at before. So to repair it, put it back together, it's pretty much like this. This needs a special tri-spludger adapter setup tool, which I don't have. Once the joystick is in there, oops. Now we're getting somewhere. The rest of the assembly is just as you'd imagine. Oh, I forgot the top case. Sorry about that. Very simple. The spring washer is usually sprung, and to repair it, put it in a vise or use a pair of pliers to flatten it down. And then it will go back on. And I'm not going to do this right now because I've got some more work I want to do on this unit. But after you put the spring washer on and slide it down, you put the... What did I do? Put the knob on, case on, and then there's 2 screws on the bottom. And you're done. Well, oops. Of course, if you have disconnected the wire harness, you want to hook that back up. But otherwise, just put the top back on, 2 screws on the bottom, and you are good to go. So that didn't quite work. It worked for a little while, but I still was able to pull it out pretty easily. So this is the original washer, and you see it's 3/4 by 3/8 thereabouts. I would say get one that's about 5/16, which I did. Put it in there. I found several in my junk bin, and I got a brass one in there, and it works great.